A very good morning to Miss G and my dear friends. I am Taniswati Aramuga, 10DTK19F1007, and my partner.
I'm Azmi Mahlin, 10 DTK 1IF 1015.
So, we are here to present how to create a table using Microsoft Access. So, now I'm gonna start presenting by showing my slide. So, how to create a Microsoft table? Before starting presenting my topic, I would like to talk a bit about my Microsoft Access. Actually, what is Microsoft Access means? Microsoft Access is a program where you can use for a database purpose. Database is what you create tables, you key in all the datas, and it's easy for you to get something. Same goes Microsoft Access, but it's easier to be used. It's easy to create a table and it's easy also to enter all your datas so that you'll never get missed any single thing. So now I'm gonna enter to my topic, which is how to create a table using Microsoft Access. First, start your Access. Start your Access means start the program of Microsoft Access. Second, click on the blank desktop database. It means after your Access Microsoft appears, you can see so many tabs of the desktops. So you have to click on the blank desktop. Second, type a file name for the database to be created. It means what you want to save as your database, that file, you have to be type it off. Fourth, choose the folder to be saved. After typing the name, you have to choose the correct folder to save your database. Fifth, you have to click the big created button, then the navigation page will be appear. So after you already choose the correct name, the correct folder, you have to click the create button. After you press it, it will appear with the navigation page.
Uh, Click the create tab which the is on the ribbon page. It means the click another tab in the ribbon page. After that, go to the table icon and click it. Uh, and the table will appear. Next, click on the tab which the display and save as a table one. Click the save button after the changing the name, and lastly press the OK and to the save the name in the folder.
So this is the way of how to create a table. But to make you more understand, this is a very simple way. After opening Microsoft Access, and it's a very simple one, right? After opening, everything already appears. The first thing you have to see there is a create button, a create icon. So press it on the create icon. Next, you have to press on the table icon. After pressing the create icon, after that, you have to press the right click on the table one to change the name of the table one. Then you have to press save after pressing the right click. After that, you have to key in the name. Like if you want to save it as client, you have can save it as client. Or if you want to save it as a name, you can save it as a name. And after that, after saving it, the table name will be changed. So this is an easy way to understand how to create a table using a Microsoft Access.
So for the safety preparation by using Microsoft Access, the first one, be alert in the typing data in making sure not mistyping. It means when you doing the database, you cannot miss the semicolon or typo in during the database. The second one, make sure the data were the save in the right folder. It means when you create the database, make sure you save it in the right folder and not mess up with your computer.
So the third one, censure your data with a password so that it only be accessed by the user. So it means when you save the data or that folder of that database, better to save with a password so that no one else can use your data or that folder of it. Next, make sure of that auto exit micro. Auto exit micro helps you to check the security options that is might change previously for your previous section. So this auto X micro will help you to always update or to always check your safety options so that it will never get messed up. Last but not the least, to split the databases. So as we are database students, we know how hard its database is. So if you split these databases, you will never get any problem. So when you're creating each and every table, make sure you split all your data. Don't combine all your data so that the front data only can be conquered by the fronted and the back data will be conquered by the backwards so that it will never get interrupt by each another and it will never get you messed up. So I hope everyone get understand how of creating in it and understand the safety precaution of every time you do your creating your tables. So this is from me, Taisaki Armoga.
And
Thanks for hearing it
yeah,
and from my partner too.
uh, thank
Thank
you.
you.